Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss on a very important, significant topic, and that is on Rahu lines. One of my follower, Mr. Amit Chang, has asked me so many times to make a video in English, though I'm not so fluent in English, still trying. So, dearly need your appreciation and hoping so. I am just moving ahead. So, we start the topic. Here is a palm where we can observe easily, very easily, the raw lines. And here we have Mars, aggressive Mars, and our raw lines emanates from here and runs horizontally and sometimes a bit slanting towards the edge of the palm. In the course, they may intercept lifeline, our fate line, even our brain line, sun line, even these lines may touch the heart line. The raw lines are very fatal. Whenever they intercept any line, we have to face some calamity, some danger, something wrong, especially about the line which they intercept. Here on this palm, some lines, Rahu lines, emanating from Mars, aggressive Mars, and run towards hot line, a bit slanting, and some line a bit horizontal. In fact, they spoil our life when they cut the lines. If a Rahu line emanates from aggressive Mars and intercept lifeline, fate line, brain line, sun line, or even heart line, they prove very fatal and ruin the whole life, physically, economically, mentally, socially, and emotionally too. They are very dangerous, no doubt. But if we have some auspicious signs on our palm, these signs can save us from the fatal results of these Rahu lines. What are they? Let's discuss. First, look to your thumb. In the very middle thumb, if we have a phoenix eye, it is very auspicious. Second, in the mid of the palm on Rahu mount, if we have a money triangle, it is very auspicious. Next, if we have a fish sign, it doesn't make any difference. If it is very long, broad, what matters is the formation of fish sign on a polo. It gives us prosperity hugely. It blesses prosperity on a person, success as well, along with a lot of prestige and popularity. If we have these signs, first, phoenix eye in the mid of thumb, the money triangle in the mid of palm on Rahu mount, and a fish on Apollo. These signs are very auspicious, no doubt. And if we have these signs on a palm, they are going to save us from the evil effects of Rahu lines. Rahu lines won't be able to spoil our life, to impact so fatally. If we have even 2 signs out of 3, it is sure that these signs may save our life from the fatality of Rahu lines. Otherwise, Rahu lines are so deadly. They can ruin our whole life, especially at the time when they cut a line, whether it is lifeline, fate line, brain line, sun line, or even heart line. They impact so fatal. But if we have these signs on palm, it is a guarantee that these Rahu lines won't be able to impact our life so fatally. No doubt, these signs especially, would not allow the Rahu lines to hit us badly. On contrary, they must decrease the intensity of fatality, and there is no doubt about it. I'm quite sure if we have such lines, such signs on our palm, we should not get scared of Rahu lines. The things is very serious. If we don't have such signs, in that condition, Rahu lines may, not may, 100%, they must hit us very badly. They will ruin our life. They will spoil our whole life. And if we have such signs, a good phoenix eye, a good money triangle, and a small, whether it is very tiny, a fish sign on our Apollo, they will save us from the bad effects of Rahu lines. That's all. Thank you very much for listening and watching this video. Thank you again.